Hello and welcome to our first Dreamweaver website design project. In this series you'll learn how to build a complete website from start to finish using Dreamweaver CS6. You can use your own images and resources for this project, or if you prefer you can download all of the project files shown in these tutorials. You can also get the complete series manual in printed or ebook format along with the high definition video tutorials from wizibooks.com. In our last video, we set up the structure of our HTML document, but it's now time to go and get the files that we need for our website. The files that we'll be getting in just a minute will be all of the image files that we need to create our website. If you're using your own image files, you'll need to collect all of these and place them in your image folder within your website. Or alternatively, you can download all of the image files that we're using to build the John O'Dell photography website from my site at www.wizibooks.com. If you've already downloaded the asset files, you'll have two folders, the John O'Dell Assets and the John O'Dell Photography. The John O'Dell Photography folder contains the completed website, but if I open up the Assets folder, in here you'll see a number of folders containing files that we'll be using while we build our website. The folder that I'm interested in at the moment is the images folder, and if I open that one up you'll see that we've got a bunch of images that we'll need to grab. I'm going to highlight all of these images including the folders at the top, and I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to switch to the John O'Dell training website and open up the images folder within that website. Currently it's empty because we haven't added them yet, so all I need to do is right click and paste, and all of the images hopefully will appear in that folder, and there they are. So let's switch back to Dreamweaver, and when we do you'll see all of the images have appeared. If you don't see the images here, just click the little refresh button at the top here and you should see them appear in your website. So I've now got a little plus next to my images folder, and if I click on that one it will expand and show me all the images in that folder. Let's just go back to Windows Explorer and have a look at the image files we'll be using. You'll see we have 3 folders and a bunch of images. We'll have a folder that contains the fading banner images. Switch to icon view, we can see them. We've got a galleries image folder, and we can see all the images we're going to be using for the gallery. And we've got our icons folder, which contains our social media icons. And in the image root folder we've got images for the background and images that we're going to be placing on our web pages. As I say, you don't need all of these files, you can use your own, but everything here is available on the website to download with the project. So let's switch back to Dreamweaver. If you're using your own image files, it's important to maintain this folder structure, so make sure you name your folders exactly as they're shown here, and ensure that you place the images that will be replacing these in the exact same folder. In the next video, we'll start to insert some of these images into our web page.